Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you 5 of the most powerful, popular, dangerous and illegal gadgets on e-commerce sites. Are you ready? Let's dive straight into the list without any delay. Disclaimer. This video is created solely for educational purposes and to promote awareness about technology that could impact your safety and that of your loved ones. The following gadgets are discussed to explain their functionality, legitimate use cases, reasons for being restricted or controversial in certain regions, and the potential risks associated with misuse. Please be aware that laws vary by country and region, and it is essential to research and comply with your local legal regulations before purchasing or using any of these devices. The information provided here is sourced from publicly available web content and discussions, with a focus on encouraging responsible and ethical use. 1. Flipper Zero. What it is: a compact, waterproof, multifunctional device often dubbed the Swiss Army knife for hackers. It interacts with systems via RFID, NFC, IR, and GPIO. Use cases: used by ethical hackers and tech enthusiasts for penetration testing, smart device control, and educational hacking. Why it's restricted: can be misused to clone keycards or access unauthorized systems. Some regions have banned or restricted its sale due to privacy concerns. Risks: unlawful use can lead to criminal charges. Always use it for permitted, ethical cybersecurity testing only. Availability: may be found via third-party sellers. Verify local laws and seller credibility. 2. Wi-Fi Deauthor Watch, Deauthor S. What it is: a wearable device that sends deauthentication packets to disconnect devices from Wi-Fi networks using vulnerabilities in the 802.11 protocol. Use cases: network testing, Wi-Fi penetration assessments, and cybersecurity education. Why it's restricted: unauthorized use can disrupt networks and violate communication laws in many countries. Risks: illegal use can lead to fines or jail time. It may accidentally affect nearby systems. Availability: widely sold, ensure it's used responsibly and legally. 3. Spy Camera. What it is: appears like a regular wall charger but contains a hidden HD camera, sometimes controlled via a smartphone app. Use cases: personal or home security, monitoring spaces like hotels or offices. Why it's restricted: hidden surveillance without consent violates privacy laws in many places. Risks: unauthorized recording can result in civil lawsuits or criminal prosecution. Availability: common online, but use is subject to strict privacy laws. Always obtain proper consent. 4. RFID NFC Skimmer. What it is: a device capable of reading data from RFID, NFC-enabled cards, e.g., ID cards or credit cards, from a short distance. Use cases: security auditing, testing vulnerabilities in access control or payment systems. Why it's restricted: can be exploited for identity theft or fraud. Mere possession can be considered suspicious in some regions. Risks: unauthorized data capture is a criminal offense. Availability: sold online, but used strictly for authorized security purposes. 5. License Plate Hider. What it is: a mechanism, flip, cover type, to hide or obscure a vehicle's license plate at the press of a button. Use cases: often marketed for car exhibitions or temporary concealment in legal contexts. Why it's restricted: illegal in many regions due to potential misuse in evading traffic enforcement or tolls. Risks: using or installing these on public roads can lead to heavy penalties, vehicle seizure, or criminal charges. Availability: still sold online as novelty items, legality varies, check local transport laws. Key reminders. Legal compliance. Before purchasing or using any of these gadgets, confirm their legal status in your area. Ethical use. Even if legal, always consider the ethical impact, respect others' privacy and use responsibly. Online marketplaces. Listings may appear despite bans. Verify seller credibility and check product reviews. Consequences. Misuse can lead to fines, lawsuits, or imprisonment. Education and awareness are the goal, not endorsement of illegal activity. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe and share my video. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about future uploads.